I know I'm looking all crazy and stuff, but best believe this beat's about to get real.
Baby, you're always on my mind. Thinking about you all the time. Maybe true love is hard to find. Makes me want to pay the fine. I go fire bazooka for your sake.
Hello my dolls and welcome back to my channel. But if this is your first time stopping by, hello darling, how are you doing today? You are welcome to my channel. My dolls, in today's video I'm going to show you all how I created this New Year's Eve soft glam makeup. So stay tuned and keep on watching to see how I achieve this look from start to finish. These people have come again with all these their plenty names. Freedom be free to makeup professional London. That's just a very random name. So I'll fill my brows with their eyebrow pomade in ebony. Feel like these brows are so left, but then we got the concealer to clean it up. So those to save these brows, I'm going to be mixing P. Louise base in 02 and LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee. I'm going to mix both of them to clean out my under brow area, while I'll go in with Toffee to clean out the top. So guys, for foundation today I'll be using ST Double Wear Stay in Place, and I'll mix 5 W1.5 cinnamon together with my Dior. Dior? Miss Dior, where are you? Found it. So I'll be mixing Estee Lauder Double Wear in cinnamon together with the Dior Skin Forever in 060. So to that mix, I'll be adding a little bit of the Danessa Myricks Illuminating Veil in Radiance, just to give me a little bit of glow, because girl, we are going to the new year and we need to glow, 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 baby. It's looking a tad bit yellow and a bit too light, but we are going to fix that in a jiffy. Lighting with the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm using Fun. Today I'm going to cream contour. I'm using Black Opal Beautiful Bronze. That is what we use. So I'm starting with Makeup Revolution banana powder. So next I'll go in with MAC MSF Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep. I'm going to use that to set the contour areas. going to bring it slightly into the highlighted area just for it to blend. So just having that line around here. So I'm just dragging it slightly. For today's look, I'm going to be working with the Soft Glam palette from ABH. You guys, can you see how dirty this stuff is? So I'll go in with the shade Mulberry. Ooh, it's looking darker. Wow. See the base? But the color is looking totally different. Let me show you guys. It's red, but look at it on my eyes. Like this, is it the same color? This is it, but look at how it's applying. Are you kidding me? I think the base has something to do with it. Alright, so to blend that out, I'll go in with, let's use Sienna, which is this shade. For this particular eye look, I'm going like in a slanted direction. And I'm pulling the color like right into my brow bone area. I'm not curving, I'm just going like straight. The lid I'm going to use, let's see, what should we use? Orange soda, which is this one. This is orange soda. Just, you know, re-emphasize the work I did around there. Orange soda to set my brow bone area. Blend that area. Just to make sure that the two colors come together. Touch of black, just tiny. Like, yes. Okay. NYX matte eyeliner. No, I can't find any of my tweezers. Like, God, how am I going to apply this eyelash? Let's see if we can make it with our hands. So for highlight, I'm going to use Bobbi Brown highlighting powder in Bronze Glow. Okay, for blush, I'm going to use MAC Raisin. Alright, for lips, I'm going in with, this is Peach Stock. blend that out, I'll just line with, this is Color Pop Peach. So my dolls, this is it for the look. I hope you enjoyed the process of me creating this look from start to finish. If you did, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up, leave a nice comment down below, subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, and after subscribing, make sure to turn on your bell notifications. That way you receive alerts whenever a new video is posted on this channel. And with that being said, if you saw today's motivational quote, do well to write it down in the comment section down below. That way I'm sure that you guys are watching all through the entire video. So my dolls, I'll see you guys next year. Yes, I'll see you guys in 2019. Happy New Year to you and your loved ones. God willing, see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.